Good morning, students. Today we will learn some more things and we will continue yesterday's concept. Suppose it is a quadratic polynomial. If I am told to find its zeros, so first we will split in middle term splitting. It's very familiar now, we know it. It is 5 and 4. 5 4 9, 5 4 is 20. Take out x common, minus 4 common. So these two are factors. And if you are told how to find zeros of this polynomial, take x minus 5 is equal to 0, x equal to 5, x minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to 4. Now many things are connected to each other. So what I want to say, look at properly. Now can we connect all the things? These are zeros and these are factors. It means when you know the zero of the polynomial, you can get factor. I'm speaking again. See carefully. If you know the zeros of the polynomial, you can get the factors. Again I'm speaking. If I write x equal to 5 and x equal to 4 are zeros of any polynomial, x equal to 5 and x equal to 4 are zeros of the polynomial. When it is the zero of the polynomial, x minus 5 will be factor. X equal to 4, again zero of the polynomial, meaning x minus 4 will be factor. Try to connect the word I am speaking again. When x equal to 5 is 0, x minus 5 will be factor, as you know here. When x equal to 5 is 0, x minus 5 will be factor. When x equal to 4 is 0, x minus 4 is one of the factor. So this connectivity you should know that. When you know the 0, you can find the factor. When you know the 0, you can find the factor. Okay. Now we talk again here. Yesterday I told you when you put some value here after prediction, you will get 4 4 just 16. Answer 0. When you know that x equal to 4 satisfying this one, meaning x equal to 4, what is this? This is one of the 0. Very important sentence I am telling you. When x equal to 4 satisfying that polynomial, meaning we are getting 0, it means x is equal to 4 is what? It is one of the 0. When you know the 0, you can get a factor. So tell me, what is a factor of the polynomial? X minus 4 is one of the factor. Yesterday I have discussed all. How many factors it is containing? Highest power is 2, meaning 2 factors it is containing. It is what? It is one of the factor. So what is the other factor? What is the other factor? How we can find out other factor? We will divide this polynomial by obtained factor. Whatever the quotient will come here, that will be the other factor. When you know the factor, you can get 0. Simplicity is there in words that when you know the 0, you can find the factor. When you know the factor, you can find the zeros. So okay, now all the things now you have got till now. So let me come on some questions and now I'll move on. Example 6 I discussed yesterday. Example 7 I will tell you today. Just for practicing. Divide 3x cube x square 2x 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. This is the question. First of all, you just have to divide and nothing we are told. I'll write first that polynomial and because it is already arranged in a descending order of x cube, x square, x and simple number. But this is not so. First I'll write x square, then I'll write 2x, and that is 1. That is very necessary to arrange both dividend and divisor in the correct form. Now I'll divide. I taught you the method. What will prefer the number? I'll divide this and this in rough section. It is x square. After cancelling it is a 3x. You understand, x square and 3x cube. It is 3x. So 3x will multiply in all the terms. 3x into x square will be 3x cube. 3x into 2x will be 6x square. 3x into 1 is a 3x. Now cancel. So it's very necessary to change the sign. It is subtraction concept. So x square is positive, 6x square is a negative. Its final subtraction will be there. 6 and 1 will be 5. Sign using a big front of the big number. So plus 2x minus 3x will be minus x plus 5. So what will choose the another number? So yesterday I taught you that division will continue until and unless the power of the remainder should less than the power of the divisor. Power 2, still same, meaning it is yet to divide. When the power of remainder will less than the divisor, the division procedure will be end. Finally, now what number will choose here? So that I will divide these two numbers in the extra section. I have minus 5. So next number is a minus 5, and next I will multiply minus 5 in all three terms. So minus 5 into x square will be minus 5x square. Minus 5 into this is 10x, and minus 5 and 1 is a minus 5. All sign will change, cancel. Minus x plus 10x will be 9x, and plus 5 is plus 10. So we are just told to divide. We have done. If you will be told to verify the division algorithm, you have to go with the law dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So all the things. Okay, we will off here, and I want to tell you the new question now. Look at question number, example number 8 is a very similar. Now you please make by your own. Now important example. Now I'm telling you, find all zeros of 2x4 3x cube. It is one of the important question as far as the exam is concerned. If you know 2 of its zeros, they are 2 and 102. 102 and minus 102. So this is a question. So let me start from the bottom. First, what is polynomial? It's a fourth power, meaning highest power is a 4. Highest power is a 4. So it should come in the knowledge that if it is having 4 power, meaning it is having 4 factors. If it is having 4 powers, meaning it is having 4 factors. And when you will know the factor, you can find zeros. But read the question comfortably and often. You know 2 of its zeros, which are root 2 and minus under root 2. What we are told? Find all the zeros. We know it is having power 4, meaning it is containing 4 zeros. And for comfortable condition, these two are already given. Under 2 and minus under 2, what they are? They are the zeros of the polynomial, meaning already 2 zeros are given. So rest 2 zeros we have to find out. So how we can find, that is major thing. So one by one I will tell you the method. Look at. First I will write, it's given under root 2 and minus under 2. These are zeros of the polynomial. This polynomial, look at properly. When you know the zeros of the polynomial, I have taught you, whenever you know 0, you can find factor. In last board I have taught you, when you know the zeros of the polynomial, you can find the factors. When under root 2 is a 0, what will be the factor? X minus root 2. And when minus under root 2 is a 0, x plus under root 2. This will be factor of the polynomial. Try to see it. This is a 0, x minus under root 2. This is a 0, x plus under root 2. These will be what? Factor of these particular polynomial. You must know this is having 4 power, meaning this is containing 4 factors. And these are 2 factors of the polynomial. Just join them. Just multiply them. This will also be factor of the polynomial. When this was written in separation condition, now I have multiplied them, and this is none else. It is again a factor of the polynomial. When you will multiply them, or a minus b, a plus b will be a square minus b square. I multiply them. X square minus under root 2 square. You know under 2 square we need 2. Will be same writing, factor of the polynomial. Now try to get the thing. This is the polynomial. This were the 2 different factors. I combined them. Now I got this is a factor. What in yesterday's concept and even in the beginning of today's lecture, I have taught you, when you know the factor of the polynomial, for getting the rest factor, you have to divide to this polynomial by this and catch your quotient. Quotient will have a different factors. Now I'll divide for rest factors. For rest factors, I'll divide to this by this. Okay, what will happen? Look at. Well, let me rub, because in that section the video sometime gets blurred. That's why I'm using this section. Hope till now you got. This is x square minus 2 is what? Factor. Now we need for rest factor. Rest meaning how many factor remaining? 2, because 2 already we are having. I combined. Now I will divide to this by this and get the another factor. Okay, x square minus 2, keep remember. X square minus 2. For rest factors, I'll divide 2x4, 3x cube, 3x square, 6x minus 2 and x square minus 2. Why I'm dividing? Because this method will give you the rest factor in the quotient section. Okay. This is what? One of the factor. Now I'll divide. So method you know, this and this I'll divide. In the left section, what I'll get? 2x square. Now 2x square will multiply in both 2x4. Look at properly. 2 2s are 4x square. Minus 4x square will be written under the like term section, 3x square. Minus 4x square. It will not be written under the 3x cube. That time these terms will unlike. So that I'll choose a like term. That's why I have written under 3x square. Now I'll subtract. This will cancel. What remaining? This section minus 3x cube remaining. This minus plus, definitely subtraction. Sign of big number will be used here. Plus 6x minus 2. Now what to do next? This divide by this. I'll get minus 3x. Minus 3x. Minus 3x into this. Minus 3x cube. Minus minus plus 3 to the 6x. Now 6x will be written under this. Now sign change. Cancel. Cancel. Very good thing it is. Now x square yet to divide, pass same. How many time? One time. So 1 will multiply in both. Cancel, cancel. So this is the rest factors. You know, this is actually it looks one factor, but it is containing 2 factors. You know it, x minus under root 2 and x plus under root 2. Now we have to catch it specially for finding the rest zeros. What it is? It is a quadratic polynomial, and we know how to find the other factors. From initially I want to tell you x minus under root 2 and x plus under root 2, 2 factors we knew, and rest 2 factors we have yet to find, and we can get these 2 factors from the quotient. So I'll now, after this, I'll write here, take this one, 2x square minus 3x plus 1, and now I'll use a middle term splitting. What the middle term splitting is? 2 ones are 2 multiplication should be 2 and addition should be 3, and that's very important to 1 and all 2 plus 1. Now I'll multiply to 2x and 1x plus 1. Take out 2x common, x minus 1. Take out 1 common, x minus 1. So x minus 1 and 2x minus 1 comes. What comes? X minus 1 and 2x minus 1. So go for 1 by 1, taking, you know how to get 0? It is a factor. X equal to 1 is one of the 0. It is a factor. So ultimately these were the 2 zeros and the rest zeros we got here. Find all the zeros of this we have got. So this is a very important question, as well as this is a very good method. Now you have to go through the method and follow all this in the practice. Student, now similar example 9 we have done. I think examples already made. Exercise 2.3 now on you. Now try to make the questions, and if you would have any doubt, we'll discuss it tomorrow. Thank you.